Use themes in Camtasia to quickly apply your brand to any assets throughout your video. Create a theme to save a custom set of colors, fonts, and a logo, and then quickly apply them in any project. Let's get started. Click the Camtasia menu, then Manage Themes. On Windows, click File, Manage Themes. In the Theme Manager, you can create a new theme, edit existing ones, or import and export themes to share with others. Let's create a new theme. Click the plus button, enter a name, and click OK. Customize it with up to 5 colors. Use the color picker to select a color on your screen. Choose one of the theme colors as the default annotation fill color. Then, click the Fonts tab to select up to 2 fonts. If you want to add a logo to your theme, select the Logo tab and upload from your computer. Click Save, and now when you work with assets in a project, you can easily apply your theme. Here, I have my Camtasia Rev recording. Let's change the colors of the dynamic background to match our surf company's brand. Select the dynamic background on the timeline. In the Properties panel, there are 4 colors that can be changed. Click the drop-down and select your theme, and then a color from the theme. Next, let's add an annotation. We'll add a sketch motion box around a part of our recording. Click the Annotations tab, and then the Sketch Motion tab. Navigate to the part of the video where the annotation will go and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Resize the shape. Change the color to one of the theme colors, and increase the thickness. Drag to change the duration on the timeline and play it back to see how it looks. Lastly, let's update a customizable title intro from Camtasia Assets. Click to select the intro on the timeline. In the Properties panel, select a theme. The logo automatically appears. As you type, the text appears in the theme's font and color. Customize the text and size here in the Properties panel. Keep the theme color or switch to a different one. And just like that, it is in line with your brand. Let's export this theme so we can share it. Open the Theme Manager, select the theme, click the gear icon, and select Export. Save it and then send to colleagues. They can import the theme and use it in their Camtasia project. Thanks for watching.